What can you say how the team played tonight?
Yes, today was a good hard game. Thank you so much, NXT. My bonus to the very complicated. Yeah. First time is farm race is the first time for the semi-final. So everyone first time, no experience. But I don't know next game. Always we are challenger. So do this. I want to make we must make a new history of farm fish. Within this. So I appreciate to NXT and before my play. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Hello. We have Ann Monares here. We have one service ace and two digs. So, what can you say about the trust given by Coach Ito? It's a very important match, especially by Ayn or Zenitsuba.
At first, kanina talaga nandun yung kaba kasi nga first time, this is my first game sa all throughout ng All Filipino Conference. And last night, nung sinabi yung lineup today, kasama ko, so as teammate, as isa sa mga maglalaro today, yung mindset ko lang talaga is kung paano makapag-contribute sa team. And no pressure at all kasi gusto kong maglaro and yun yung inisip ko lang kanina mag-enjoy. And very exciting nga kasi nga yun, semis kami and very thankful ako sa mga teammates ko din kasi nandun yung grit tsaka yung eagerness na manalo kami today.
Thank you so much. And along with the 16 excellent sets, 5 points for attacks, 1 8 and 5 digs. So this is your first semi-finals appearance in the PBL. So what can you say that you carried this team to the next stage? Okay, so.
You know, just credit to them for coming and working hard every day, trusting in coach's system. It's hard, it's frustrating, you know, new systems every single conference. And I'm proud of the girls, I'm proud of them for working hard and for coming out with the win tonight. So credit goes to them for, you know, trusting in me, trusting in coach, trusting in everybody else. Trusting in each other, so I think that's the biggest thing.
Thank you.
Coach, how did you use your familiarity against your former players to use it as an advantage for Farm Fresh and make it to the semi-finals?
Yes, always during last game also always highlight no comment.
But how happy are you that in this is your first tournament with Farm Fresh and then you made it to the semi-finals right away?
Yeah, my coaching start is junior. Always safety player, change the line, change the little step by step. They have to change their mind. So it's not good today game. Good game. But we do this just best game because we are challenging. We are challenging. Other team, example, Cleveland, PLD, other team always A rank. Bangladesh before ABC, C rank team. We are challenging. That's it. And she was an analyst, long time cooperated with the team. But I know she has a lot of individual practice. Practice doesn't like. So today she was a good performance. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And toss work, good make a leadership. Yeah, thank you so much.
Alohi, just talk us through your own personal journey with Farm Fresh. It wasn't the easiest way back to the PBL. Obviously, then you had to go through the highs and lows of the team. So how rewarding is it that with a performance like this today, you made history with Farm Fresh and there's still more to come?
You know, the feeling is surreal, especially coming from being a coach, player coach for this team. My first, you know, not really any season in 2024. So seeing them improve since that first day has been amazing, and it's, like I said, surreal, and I can't believe it. I knew they could do it, and they've grown as players and as women. So I just, like I said before, super proud, and especially Anne and you know all the younger players, you know, taking our advice as veterans, as you know the Ates. I think they've really embellished our leadership, and I hope they take that wherever they go, and I hope we can you know keep pushing.
Ang focus ko lang yung binention na ni Coach yung analyst role again. Parang how did that help lang yun for you, seeing the team in a different light na ngayon na nakalaro?
Yun nga, pagiging analyst. Ang stats, we're doing stats. So, numbers talaga siya when it comes sa laro. So, doon ko din nakikita na hindi lang siya about sa play, sa rallies, mayroong purpose yung game. So, siguro doon ko na-realize na okay, kailangan mag-set talaga ng goal every game na okay, eto kung target, kung eto yung target sa service team, eto yung target sa service team. Kasi yun yung numbers, kumbaga. So yun, nadala ko yun today na for throughout ng AFC na nagsa-stats ako. So, ayun, parang sinusunod ko lang yung gusto din ipagawa ng coach and lahat naman kami. So, ayun, very good yung performance today.
Coach, you have rest after today. Their next match is on Saturday. So, the next few days, what is the preparation so the team will be focused as you moving forward?
No rest tomorrow, they have a practice. Today tomorrow content was outside. They need more practice. Just practice. Just practice. No rest. They don't need rest.
So, now focus on the semi-finals. That's the focus, right?
So far, they need more practice.
And your thoughts on semi-finals and alone, the semi-finals, what's next?
Just preparing mentally and you know physically. I think being mentally ready and physically ready, but also just you know, I think coming out the same way we did today. You know, balls to the walls, like literally go for everything. Positive energy, you know, chemistry on the court. And I think we'll fare out okay.
She will be practice for tomorrow.
No coach, you practice.
Just me.
Yeah, just you coach.
At siguro same, sinabi Ate Lomis, pagiging ready mentally, physically kasi may days pa kami para mag-prepare. So, ayun lang.
Alright? Enjoy this win, Coach.